and 8. So we just had our new variation of the whip for today. So this is interesting because Monty stays facing his initial direction the whole time. He doesn't face me at all. So it's a J hook lead. We have 1, 2, he sweeps, 3, up on 4, roller
back
right,
on 5,
6, 7, and 8. Men, you can of course do 3 and 4. And you could just think of it as a jazz box if you do want to put your footwork in. So if you did that, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then, because this is an easy place for the ladies to pull a platform spin, we added in the double right spin on the anchor. So it's called a platform. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Pivot, pivot. I accelerate, chaîné, pivot as tight as I can. That's my platform.
and remembering one of the biggest secrets to that is holding your slow, your 6,
On the 6.
as a slow and stretching open so you have that acceleration and not trying to cheat into it a little bit early.
Goes 1, 2, 3, and 4. Go 5, 6, 7, and